Just like decluttering your space, decluttering your health and daily routine are just as important. If you're feeling overwhelmed by health advice and routines that just seem to get more complicated every year, you're not alone. Today I'm sharing 6 minimalist habits that can seriously improve your health without adding stress or clutter to your life. Number 1, start your day with water. Simple, right? But there are so many people that don't do it. This might sound obvious, but it's powerful. Before the coffee, before the emails, just drink a glass of water. Your body is dehydrated after sleep, and rehydration supports digestion, energy, and focus. I used to wonder why I would get 8 hours of sleep and still wake up feeling unrested, but ever since I started drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, I feel so much better. But make sure you're drinking room temperature water because cold water can shock your gut first thing in the morning and cause stomach discomfort, if you know what I mean. 2, walk daily. No gym required. Walking in nature, walking a dog, walking to a local cafe. Walking is so underrated. It clears your mind, gets your blood flowing, and supports cardiovascular health. You don't need a gym membership to get a workout in, just a pair of shoes and a good playlist or podcast, or just your lovely thoughts to keep you company. Walking is one of the best exercises to help you lose weight and stay healthy because it's something you can do every day consistently without equipment, and it's low impact. Even for 30 minutes a day makes a big difference in your health than not doing it at all. Number 3, eat real food, mostly the same meals. Okay, this can get controversial, but healthy eating doesn't mean complicated recipes or buying 20 ingredients you'll only use once. Because I've been there and it's a waste of money and a waste of food, what I've been doing now is having certain foods on repeat when I grocery shop. Foods that I know I like, have macronutrients, and I know will fill my protein and carb goals, such as the same fruit, meat, beans, and then a few items that I might want to try. This way, I don't have to think about what to buy every time, and it's so easy and fast to grocery shop now. Then on Sundays, I meal prep for the week. If you're on a fitness journey, this is a great way to track your calories and protein, and eventually you'll have all your repeat foods' nutritional values memorized. 4, declutter your wellness products. Do you really need 5 different protein powders and 12 skincare products? Probably not. Again, I used to be this person, and honestly, I doubt most of the skincare products did anything because most of your skin health comes from healthy eating, enough sleep, and keeping stress levels down. And after many years of trying different routines and products, at 37, I've come to the conclusion that you really only need sunscreen, moisturizer, retinol if you're at that age where it's appropriate, and maybe a hyaluronic acid. But of course, everyone is different, so keep only what works and donate or toss the rest. Number 5, protect your sleep like it's sacred. Sleep is the foundation for your body to repair itself and for your brain to reset. Now, not everyone needs the same amount of sleep. Some of us need 8 hours, some of us need 9, and some of us just 5 to 6 hours to feel rested. Whatever the amount is, being intentional and consistent about your sleep is vital to everything else in your life. So make sure you prioritize sleep, have a calm, cozy environment to do it in, and limit screen time so you can actually have deep sleep. Sounds simple and easy, but you'd be surprised to know how many people don't get enough sleep, just like not enough water. Last but not least, 1 hour, no phone, no laptop, no TV. Use it to connect with yourself, move your body, or just sit quietly. In my How to Live Like a Minimalist, I talk about how daily outside noise, such as the news and social media, can sometimes challenge us, especially those who want to live more intentionally, if not minimalist lives. It leaves us wanting more, feeling overwhelmed, stressed, pressured, and not fulfilled. By turning off your devices for just 1 hour a day, we allow our minds to reset and reconnect to things that matter to us and things we enjoy. Yes, it sounds terrible and maybe painful at first. You'd be surprised how much mental space it clears and how much inspiration and peace you'll gain from it. Thank me later. And that's all I have for today, guys. If this video helped you simplify your routine, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to live